What is doing? What are you eating? Come here. These are husky pits. What are you doing? What are you playing? And you see the ducks? Duckies. Those are Swedish blues. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go see the geese. Where are you, geese? Right there. Say something to the camera. Come on, say something. Come on. Come on. Doesn't bite. And the chickens, they're hanging in there. Deep in the woods. Yeah. Here's Crocodile. She keeps getting loose. Crocodile, Maggie. She knows she got out, but locking her up, she just keeps breaking the thing. You see, he's calling you. Wants you to go back in the cage. Whee! Say hi. Come on. Come on. What are you guys up to? The party doesn't start until the sun goes down. Then that's when... Oh, look, that chicken just flew from on top of the tree down to the ground. The party starts when the sun goes down. That's when they get... I don't know, it's like the deers and everything comes out and all the barking starts. Look at how green that water gets. Just cleaned it 2 weeks ago. All right. Well, thanks for watching and subscribe.